Easy now, it's your boy Master G. Right, there's been a few people asking how you remove these rivets from these launchers. It's quite simple, but quick disclaimer, basically you end up breaking it. What you want to do is you want to get yourself a couple of pry tools. You want to slip them down the inside here and then the inside there, and you want to apply reasonable force up until it pings out. Once it does so, when you've taken this out, unfortunately, it takes a little stub of plastic off of the launcher, so that's no longer usable. But the actual Beyblade X mount is then freely accessible. It comes in a few different little bits. So there's a gear mechanism which has this stub of plastic, but then it also has a little journal bearing in it as well. Try not to lose that. I already have. But then you have like some sort of locking mechanism that stops it from slipping when you're launching. So that's how you take it apart. I've got a few different gears that I've been trying to mess around with, see if I can try and get some sort of gear ratio and maybe put them together to make a work amplifier. It's difficult trying to find the right tooth for your launcher though, unfortunately, but I'm sure I will progress. I've got a couple of launchers that have been pretty sick, and I hope this has been useful. Peace.